Hi ladies and gentlemen, I believe you have already seen what is the item that I'm going to talk about. Anyways, this is the VE7 and this will be my first impressions and unboxing of the Vision Years VE7. Let's go! So as you can see, this is the Vision Years VE7. It comes in a rather nice VE box. It's quite a big box. Let me first open this earphone. So when you open it, the first thing you see inside it is the very nice metal canister that VE always provides with their earphones. And inside it is actually a rather interesting box. Basically, they have this black on black print stating that it is handcrafted in Cologne, Germany. Cologne is one of those places that I've always wanted to go but never had the chance to visit. It's actually a really impressive box. I really like it for the size. And now let's get to the juicy bit. Let's take a look at the earphones, right? So I'm removing the metal canister. It's actually a very substantial case. It feels very solid, very heavy, which is awesome. It's actually really nice, as you can see here. So let's see how do they look like. Let me remove the cap. And inside it is the VE7. They look, wow, really gorgeous. I like how they have this hollow effect on the face plates, and yeah, they look very pretty. It is seated in a foam insert. Yeah, it really holds together the earphone. Below it is the stock cable that comes with it. And let's see what other case candies are there. Let me put this aside first. And moving on, inside the other compartment there is an instruction manual together with Vision Years in-ear cleaner. I think this is meant to clean your earphones. Also, they provide you with a nozzle cleaning tool where you can brush out, you know, gunky, crusty earwax. And lastly, this is a rarity these days. This is the 3.5 to 4.4 adapter in case you want to use them with large headphone amplification. And yeah, that's just basically it. This is the full packaging of the VE7. Okay, so today I'll not be covering a full in-depth review, but I will just talk to you very briefly about the VE7. Now the VE7, it is the most neutral, natural earphone from Vision Years, and if you know me, I really like my neutral, natural IEMs. This earphone actually, to me, I much prefer over the VE8. They are, you know, this is significantly brighter and it tips the scale to a sort of frequency, a sort of sound that I really enjoy. Now, this does not mean that it is technically better than V8. I think the V8 is incredible and very capable, but this is more to my cup of tea. And yeah, these are a very neutral, natural monitor, which is very different from the rest of the VE lineup. I really do enjoy this, and if you like what I'm doing so far, please kindly like and subscribe. Please press the like and subscribe icon below, and very soon you'll have my full review on the Vision Years VE7. Thanks guys, see you guys soon.